Maintenance instruction: oil change in the vibrator unit every 1000 operating hours. Safety warning: there is a danger of burns or scalding. Be cautious during maintenance to avoid injuries. Steps: 1. Position the machine. Slowly drive the machine until mark D is exactly perpendicular under the axle. 2. Pressure relief. Remove the filling screw C to relieve the pressure. 3. Drain the oil. Unscrew the oil drain screw A and allow the used oil to drain into a prepared receptacle. 4. Refill with new oil. Tighten the oil drain screw A with the gasket ring after the oil has completely drained. Fill the specified oil type through the filling bore C until the oil level reaches the middle of sight glass B. Tighten the filling screw C with the gasket ring. 5. Additional note: if the machine has two vibrator housings, one on the right and one on the left, perform the oil change for both housings. Important: only lubricants with the specified identification are allowed. This provides a clear guide based on the maintenance instructions shown in the image. Let me know if you need any modifications.